Congratulations, you've made it through the entire course. These weren't easy concepts to learn. I want you to think all the way back to when you were just starting this journey. Can you remember what you were feeling when you watched those first videos? Maybe a little nervous, terrified even, excited, probably all these emotions at once? You tuned in with me, watched all these videos, and kept going when it got complex. You should be proud of yourself. Take a moment to reflect on where you are now. You've gone from having little or no knowledge of programming to being able to write all kinds of complex functions. You're using conditionals, loops, strings, lists, and even dictionaries. You even created your own objects. You put it all together to write your very own program, applying a process which you might use in your day-to-day IT role. And hopefully you had as much fun doing it as I did teaching you. It's impressive that you've mastered all this stuff, and I hope it's just the beginning of your Python journey. Building a successful career in IT calls for perseverance, curiosity, and grit. 3 qualities you've proven to have heaps of by making it this far. It also requires skills and knowledge, and basic Python is definitely a powerful tool in your IT toolbox. Knowing how to write scripts will set you apart from others as you look to advance in your career. I bet you're now seeing tasks all around you which are sparking ideas on how you could automate them with a script. The possibilities are endless. And it's just the start. Remember what we said in one of our first videos? A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. There's still a lot of exciting things you can learn. We hope you will join us in the next course, where we will be learning all about how Python interacts with a computer's operating system. To get a taste of what's in store, stay put for the next video, where we will chat with Roger, your next instructor. But for now, I want to wish you best of luck. I look forward to seeing you and your code out there.